Oh, hey, how's it going? Yeah, we're looking at two gaming wireless, true wireless earbuds right here by Gravistar. We're looking at the P9 right here and also the P5 Pro. We're gonna compare the two and see how well it does. We've tested out the P9 here in this channel before, so we're just gonna look at the difference with these two and what you get out of it. So here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. So let's go ahead and open it up and see how well it does. We're gonna do some gaming as well, and let's see how well the earbuds work during different types of games. So here we go. It has very unique packaging as well, as you can see. Has this white paper on top. As you can see, you get this with the box. So if you get this, you do get one set of earbuds right here. But on top of that, you get to have different cases as well. You can customize it. It's as if you just got like three different earbuds, right? Because there's different cases for it. There is. There's the clear one as well. Actual earbuds right there. Here it comes with the accessory box as well. Ooh, look at this. It comes with this as well. Some instruction manual. Definitely attention to detail by Gravistar there. Pretty nice. It comes with the fourth one here as well. Kind of like collectible cards. Transparent as well. Instruction manual. You also get a chain if you want to put this around your neck. And a USB-C cable. There's that for the box. Now let's try to put them together. As you can see there. Boom! Put your earbuds in there. There it is. If you want them, you just pull them out of here like so. Ready to go. It also has this light on the side, as you can see. Pop it up. Little neon lights on the side. USB-C on the bottom. Little reset light or sync light as well. Let's try these earbuds on. Nice. Looks pretty good. Syncing it with the phone. Bluetooth. Now this is also powered with Qualcomm aptX with 12 mm driver. This will help on having great bass and also full sound quality. It also has the latest Qualcomm chip and Bluetooth 5.2. The chip helps on the latency when you are playing a game and you don't want to be lagged while you're playing. The sound needs to be instantly in your ears, which it does that because of the chip. Really awesome. If you want to use this for working out as well, it is IPX4, which is really good for sweats and if a little bit of water. Sometimes if you're doing VR, you tend to break the sweat, and when you're using these for a VR headset, it is totally fine. It'll give you that protection. Now, of course, for those of you who doesn't want to charge too often, the Series P5 is actually good for 8 hours, and then it will be able to extend with the battery pack. So if you guys want a long lasting earbuds, this is recommended as well. You just kind of sit there, as you can see there, not like AirPods, just nicer because it's black, right? Now let's try another case here. If you want to take it off, you just need to push it from the bottom. Just pops right off. Grab another case here. Again, click and pop right there. Boom. This is like metal. it's heavier than the other one for sure. Boom, solid. Now it does come with a screw that you need to screw into the bottom of this so that it doesn't fall off. For example, let's try this clear one right here. You pop this on, there it is, and then the screw comes to the bottom of it so that it doesn't pop off. Now it's nice as well that it comes with a little tool so that you can turn it. That way it's easy to change cases as well from time to time. There it is, very nice. And again, you just, if once you're ready, there's a blue light on the green light on the side as well, and it pops off like so. Pretty nice. And it's a great addition, of course, that you can customize your earbuds. It's pretty good. Sounds really good as well. Oh, it's really good, man. Sounds really nice. Awesome. Oh yeah, let's see if I can hear the footsteps here. Oh yeah, that's wicked. Definitely really good, man. Awesome. See if I can shoot. Oh, there's a guy. Killed that guy. There's one right there. Nice. There's one up there. Oh, there's one over here probably. Right there. Oh, there's one right there. Oh, I can hear them, man. You can really tell that where they are. So you just kind of hear it. This is really good. Yeah, I definitely recommend this for people who loves gaming. You'd be able to hear the footsteps, nice bass on it too. It's just harder because I'm trying to look at the camera while I play here. There's like someone there, man. I can't see. It's so tiny. Oh, there's one right there. Let's go. Let's go. Uh-oh, ran out. There's one right there, man. Also lights up right there for charging. Now let's open up the P9 and let's see how the earbuds work compared to the P5. So here we go. Now it has this clear opening right here. As the P9 right here. From the past that we've tested this, it also has different colors and different designs. If you want to get one of those instead of the black version. I like the black, it's nicer. I think I've tried like the green one here on this channel before. Here you also get some accessories with it. Get some instruction manual in here. Different ear tips as well. And of course your USB-C cable. It also comes with the chain as well, of course, if you want to put it around your neck, right? So let's open this guy up again the same way. Just click the side. Oh, this is all metal as well. There you go. These are different, as you can see. These are like the noise canceling ear tips. It's not like the AirPods, right? Let's try this on. It does tell you which side is on, so you don't mess it up. There you go. Now, personally, I don't like the ones with the noise canceling ear tips. I like the AirPod style better. It is more comfortable for me because I have small ears. But yeah, we'll just test this out and see how well it does. As you can see there's a light as well right in the middle there, and it's hollow. Very nice design. Gravastar is really good with their Bluetooth speakers as well. They have different designs that you can pick from, And I definitely would recommend it for people if you want to just test this out. Go on their website and just look for different exotic designs, especially for the top also has an indicator light right there, which you could see. It tells you that it is charging. There it is, says it that Bluetooth is connected. Let's try some music here. Oh yeah, that's good. Right now, because I'm looking at the camera, my the sound is better than the visual. It's really good though, considering. So now we're just gonna try the different. I try the P9 now and see how well it does. Oh, there's one right there. It's not as the P5 is not as noise cancelling. I mean, it's okay for the most part. Still useful for sure. There's one right there, man. What are you doing? Nice. Kill that. Let's go this way. Oh, wrong way. This way. There's a guy right there, look. Oh, I could totally see that. Oh man, come on camera, you could do it. It's like really bad right now. Let's go. Come on, man. There you go. There's more here. I can hear them footsteps, bro. Oh. Nope. Shoot! Dang, man. Got him. Now, I don't think any of the earbuds here is better than the other. It just depends on what need you have. If you're looking for the Sirius Pro, that will actually give you a more sucked in earbuds. It'll fit your ear depending on what it is. For me, I like the uh, P5 just because it just sits in my ear and it doesn't hurt my ear over time, but it really depends on the person. Both of them is pretty close on the features. I like the interchangeable cases of the P5, and I like that you can use the Sirius Pro for a bottle opener. That's pretty cool. So it really depends on you. Let me know in the comments below what you think is better. So for those of you who are looking for gaming earbuds, this is definitely recommended for those of you. Very exotic designs as well. Check out their website. They have a lot of different speakers as well, Bluetooth speakers and different earbuds there as well. So go ahead and check that out. I'll link everything down in the description below. So go ahead and check that out as well. It does help out the channel a lot if you do buy it from there. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and stay safe out there. Peace.